Welcome to Poetry Resort in Thekadi, Kerala, where lush jungles embrace tranquility. Immerse yourself in nature's beauty as the cool, misty breeze dances through the hilltops. Our hospitality guarantees a paradise-like experience for every guest. Indulge in luxury within our rooms, offering panoramic vistas of the majestic Western Ghats. Unwind in our jacuzzi or infinity pool, gazing upon endless mountain views. Embark on guided walks, bamboo rafting, trekking and elephant safaris to explore nature's wonders. At Poetry Resort, every moment is an ode to serenity and awe.